Azaan Construction, welcome to our channel, where today we explore the top 100 exterior wall design trends 2026 featuring modern wall tiles and cladding ideas that will completely transform the look of your home. In 2026, exterior wall design is not just about protection. It is about creating a bold architectural statement that reflects personality, luxury, and smart living. Modern homes are now focusing on clean lines, mixed materials, and balanced color combinations that give a fresh and elegant appearance. One of the biggest trends is the combination of natural stone cladding with warm wooden panels, creating a perfect harmony between nature and contemporary style. Textured stone finishes are becoming very popular because they add depth and character to flat surfaces. Homeowners are choosing stacked stone designs to create feature walls around entrances and porch areas. Large format exterior tiles are another major trend in 2026. These tiles reduce joint lines and give a seamless and premium look to the facade. Matte finish tiles in neutral shades like gray, beige, and charcoal are dominating modern exterior themes. Dark exterior walls combined with wooden accents create a bold and luxurious visual impact. Vertical wooden slats are being used widely to add height and sophistication to front elevations. Concrete finish wall panels are also trending for minimalist and industrial-style homes. Exposed concrete textures provide a raw yet elegant appearance. 3D wall tiles are becoming a favorite choice for feature exterior walls. These tiles create shadow effects that look stunning under exterior lighting. LED wall washers and warm lighting fixtures enhance the texture of cladding materials beautifully. In 2026, sustainability is also influencing exterior wall designs. Metal cladding in black and bronze tones is being used in ultramodern luxury houses. Aluminum composite panels provide durability along with a sleek modern finish. Geometric tile patterns are another creative trend this year. Designers are experimenting with hexagonal and linear tile layouts for unique facade styles. Mixed material facades are leading the market trends. Combining stone, wood, glass, and tiles in one elevation creates visual balance and richness. Natural earthy tones are preferred over overly bright colors. Soft grays, sandy beige, olive green, and warm browns create a calm and timeless exterior look. Textured plaster finishes are making a comeback in modern architecture. Smooth stucco combined with stone borders creates a Mediterranean-inspired design. Marble finish exterior tiles are being used to create a luxurious villa-style appearance. High-gloss tile accents are used selectively to highlight entrance areas. Minimalist facade designs with hidden lighting systems are trending strongly. Smart exterior walls now include concealed strip lights within grooves and panels. Porcelain exterior slabs are popular due to their weather resistance and durability. Brick cladding is returning with modern gray and whitewashed finishes. Slim brick tiles give a contemporary twist to traditional brick walls. Vertical and horizontal panel combinations are creating dynamic elevation styles. Large stone columns at the entrance create a grand and welcoming look. Natural greenery integrated into wall designs is also trending in 2026. Vertical garden walls combined with stone cladding create a refreshing facade. Waterproof wall panels with wood texture are perfect for modern homes in humid areas. Black and white contrast themes remain timeless and elegant. Textured concrete tiles combined with warm wooden doors create a premium entrance. Floating wall panels with backlighting are becoming popular in luxury houses. Layered textures and clean geometry define luxury exterior walls in 2026. Subtle metallic finishes are also emerging in modern villa designs. Minimal color combinations with maximum texture variation create sophistication. Front elevation designs now focus on depth, shadow, and natural elements. Wall cladding around garage doors creates a cohesive architectural look. Modern farmhouse-style exteriors combine white walls with stone accents. Bold entrance framing with stone and tile combination enhances curb appeal. Exterior wall panels with vertical patterns create a taller visual effect. Neutral stone textures remain a timeless and evergreen trend. Exterior lighting placement is now a major part of wall design planning. Backlit stone walls create dramatic and luxurious night views. Mixed horizontal and vertical cladding lines add architectural rhythm. Exterior wall color blocking techniques are gaining attention. Natural slate cladding provides rich texture and durability. Subtle texture variation within the same color family adds depth. Entrance feature walls are becoming the highlight of modern homes. Contemporary facade design focuses on simplicity, symmetry, and strong materials. Exterior wall design in 2026 is all about balance between natural beauty and modern innovation.